Welcome to our Giethoorn Travel Guide, where we'll take you through the best things to do in Giethoorn, Netherlands. In this video, you'll discover why Giethoorn Netherlands is a must-visit destination with its picturesque canals and charming thatched roof cottages. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel guides and adventures. The pronunciation of Giethoorn is approximately Giethoorn, with a guttural ch sound similar to the German ich sound. The g at the beginning is pronounced with a soft, aspirated h sound, common in Dutch. Giethoorn is famously known as the Venice of the North, due to its extensive network of picturesque canals that weave through the village. This charming destination is renowned for its tranquil atmosphere, with thatched roof cottages and wooden bridges creating a fairy tale-like setting. The village's unique car-free policy, where boats, bicycles, and walking are the primary modes of transportation, adds to its serene and idyllic charm. Giethoorn's stunning scenery and peaceful ambience have made it a popular destination for tourists seeking a quaint and relaxing getaway. To get to Giethoorn from Amsterdam, you can take a direct train to Steenwijk, which takes about 90 minutes, followed by a short bus ride or taxi to Giethoorn. Organized tours by travel companies offer a convenient and hassle-free option, providing round-trip transportation and guided experiences that often include boat tours and local insights. Renting a car is another flexible choice, allowing you to enjoy the scenic Dutch countryside on the roughly 1.5-hour drive to Giethoorn at your own pace. Each of these options ensures a comfortable and enjoyable journey to this charming village. Traveling around Giethoorn is best done by renting a whisper boat, an electric boat that allows you to navigate the narrow canals quietly and efficiently. For those who prefer land, bicycles are a popular choice, with numerous rental shops offering bikes for exploring the village and its scenic surroundings. Walking is another great way to get around, with well-maintained paths and bridges providing easy access to all the main sites. Giethoorn's unique transportation options enhance the experience of exploring this beautiful and tranquil village. Yes, Giethoorn is highly walkable, thanks to its car-free policy and well-designed pedestrian pathways. The village's compact layout, with its scenic canals, charming wooden bridges, and flower-lined streets, makes it perfect for leisurely strolls. Walking through Giethoorn allows visitors to fully appreciate its picturesque beauty and peaceful ambience. Whether you're exploring the historic center or wandering through the gardens, the village's walkability ensures a delightful and immersive experience. In Giethoorn, the enchanting canals are the star attraction, offering picturesque boat rides through the serene waterways that define this unique village. As you glide along, you'll see charming thatched roof cottages, each exuding a quaint, fairy tale charm. The village is dotted with over 180 wooden bridges, adding to the scenic beauty and providing perfect photo opportunities. A visit to the Giethoorn Museum offers a fascinating glimpse into the area's history and cultural heritage. The Giethoorn Church, with its historic architecture and peaceful ambience, is another must-see landmark. Don't miss the local craft shops, where you can find unique handmade souvenirs and traditional Dutch goods. The village's beautiful garden landscapes and flowers create a vibrant, colorful backdrop that enhances the overall experience. Whether you're exploring by boat, bike, or on foot, Giethoorn's natural and man-made beauty promises an unforgettable visit. In Giethoorn, one of the top activities is taking canal cruises, which offer a tranquil way to explore the village's iconic waterways and picturesque scenery. For those who prefer a more personal experience, boat rentals are available, allowing you to navigate the canals at your own pace. Walking tours provide a leisurely way to discover the village's charming pathways, wooden bridges, and flower-lined streets. Biking is another popular option, with numerous well-marked trails leading through the beautiful countryside and beyond. Shopping in Giethoorn is a delight, with local craft shops offering unique handmade souvenirs and traditional Dutch products. Dining in the village's cozy restaurants lets you savor local and international cuisine while enjoying scenic views. Staying in a thatched cottage adds a fairy tale touch to your visit, immersing you in the village's quaint ambience. Visiting historical sites, such as the Giethoorn Museum and the Giethoorn Church, offers fascinating insights into the area's rich heritage. Museums in Giethoorn provide an in-depth look at the local culture and history, making them essential stops for any visitor. Relaxing at cafes, sipping coffee or enjoying a meal by the water is a perfect way to unwind and soak in the peaceful atmosphere. Overall, Giethoorn offers a wide range of activities that cater to every interest, ensuring a memorable and enjoyable visit. The best time to visit Giethoorn is during the spring and summer months, from April to September, when the weather is warm and the village is in full bloom. During these months, the canals are lively with boats, and the gardens are vibrant with colorful flowers, providing a picturesque backdrop for your visit. Autumn also offers a beautiful, quieter experience with stunning foliage and fewer crowds. Winter can be magical with the potential for frozen canals, creating a cozy and serene atmosphere, perfect for a peaceful retreat. Giethoorn can be considered moderately expensive, especially during peak tourist seasons when accommodation and boat rental prices tend to rise. Dining and shopping in the village also reflect its popularity, with prices often higher than in less touristy areas. However, there are budget-friendly options available, such as staying in nearby towns or opting for self-guided tours to manage costs. Despite the higher prices, the unique experience and scenic beauty make Giethoorn worth the visit. The main area in Giethoorn is the central village, where the picturesque canals, charming thatched roof cottages, and iconic wooden bridges are concentrated. This area is the heart of the village, bustling with tourists enjoying boat rides, walking tours, and visits to local cafes and shops. Key attractions such as the Giethoorn Museum and the historic Giethoorn Church are also located in this central zone, making it the focal point for most visitors. Exploring this main area allows visitors to fully immerse themselves in the unique charm and beauty of Giethoorn. In Giethoorn, you can savor a variety of Dutch culinary delights, with fresh seafood being a highlight due to the village's proximity to waterways. Traditional dishes like poffertjes, mini pancakes, and stroopwafels, syrup waffles, are must-try local treats. Many local restaurants offer cozy dining experiences with scenic views of the canals, serving both traditional Dutch fare and international cuisine. From charming cafes to upscale dining options, Giethoorn caters to a range of tastes and preferences, ensuring a delightful culinary experience. When shopping in Giethoorn, you'll find an array of unique souvenirs and handmade crafts that reflect the village's charm. Local craft shops offer items such as traditional Dutch wooden clogs, artisanal pottery, and handwoven textiles. Additionally, you can purchase regional specialties like Dutch cheese, tulip bulbs, and locally produced jams and honey, making for perfect gifts or mementos of your visit. These distinctive products capture the essence of Giethoorn, allowing you to take a piece of this picturesque village home with you. In Giethoorn, staying in a traditional thatched roof cottage provides an immersive and authentic experience, allowing you to enjoy the village's unique ambience. There are also charming bed and breakfasts and boutique hotels, many of which are located along the picturesque canals, offering stunning views and convenient access to local attractions. For those seeking a more budget-friendly option, nearby towns offer additional accommodations, from guest houses to modern hotels, just a short drive or bike ride away from Giethoorn. Each type of accommodation ensures a comfortable and memorable stay, catering to different preferences and budgets. Spending a full day in Giethoorn is ideal to explore the village thoroughly, allowing time for boat rides, walking tours, and visiting local attractions like the Giethoorn Museum. However, an overnight stay can enhance the experience, giving you more time to relax, dine at local restaurants, and enjoy the peaceful evening ambience. For those with a tight schedule, a half-day visit can still be rewarding, offering a glimpse of the village's unique charm and beauty. Ultimately, the length of your stay depends on your interests and how deeply you wish to immerse yourself in the serene atmosphere of Giethoorn. Yes, Giethoorn is considered very safe to visit, with low crime rates and a friendly, welcoming community. The village's car-free zones make it especially safe for pedestrians and cyclists, adding to its serene and relaxed atmosphere. Visitors can comfortably explore the area by boat, bike, or on foot, enjoying the scenic surroundings without safety concerns. Whether traveling solo, with family, or in a group, Giethoorn offers a secure and peaceful environment for all. Yes, Giethoorn is definitely worth a visit for its unique charm, picturesque canals, and tranquil atmosphere. The village offers a one-of-a-kind experience, often referred to as the Venice of the North, making it a memorable destination. Whether you're interested in boating, exploring historical sites, or simply relaxing in a beautiful setting, Giethoorn provides a delightful escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Its enchanting scenery and serene ambience make it a perfect spot for those seeking a peaceful retreat. Thank you for watching our Giethoorn travel guide and exploring all the amazing things to do in Giethoorn, Netherlands. If you enjoyed learning about this enchanting village, don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more travel guides and adventures in beautiful destinations like Giethoorn, Netherlands.